Alrighty, once you're done weaving paper into day 2, we're going to make some packing tape transfers, which are great for collage. Right? Packing tape transfer is just a fancy name for a sticker. Right? To do this, you need some packing tape. You will need an image or multiple images to transfer onto the tape. I'm going to use this image here. I'm going to take some tape. Cut a little piece off. And you're going to lay it over your image, as I'm doing here. Okay. See, I didn't cover the image completely, so I'm going to need to cut another piece of tape here. It's very important when you do this that you overlap the two pieces of tape. Okay, a slight overlap is what you're looking for. Once you've done that, off the table, and take a roller and just kind of lightly roll it. I'll get it nice and flat, make sure there's no bubbles or anything in it. You can do it this way as well, it just gets a little stuck to the table. Once you got your tape on there, it's a very simple process. You'll need a container of water, and you're just going to go ahead, soak your transfer into the water. Okay. Once you let it sit for a moment or two, you'll notice that the paper will just kind of start to disintegrate off, and you can just lightly rub it with your finger. A sponge really isn't necessary here. If you use the sponge, you'll probably end up wiping more of the ink off than you want. Just kind of keep your tape immersed into the water. And you're going to notice what's happening is the backing of the paper is coming off in the water, but the ink has transferred onto the tape, leaving you something that is kind of transparent, like a large transparent sticker. Okay. You will notice that the stickiness from the tape will go away because you are immersing it in water, which is fine. Okay. It's looking good. If you bring it back to the surface and you're noticing it's starting to get foggy again, you just need to continue wetting it and wiping and rubbing with your fingers. And now I can cut this out if I wanted to. I could use it, because it's transparent, I can use it on top of collage and other images will be able to be seen through it. So it is a great tool when we do get into talking about collage. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and print out some sort of an image that you want to create, a packing tape transfer, or multiple images is fine as well, and go ahead and complete that process.